Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm going to teaching you how to make a zobo drink. This is a very healthy drink and it's really good for you. So we're going to get down to it. We'll be needing fresh ginger, hibiscus leaf, then we'll also need pineapple peels, then jolly juice. It depends on what you want. Sachet flavor, there are different types in the market. Then we need sugar. So it's boiling outside, so we're going to be pouring this ginger, hibiscus leaf and the pineapple peels into the boiling water. Usually I usually make it big because I also sell to people. So here we go. It's a healthy drink, yeah. So here we go. We're going to pour it into the boiling water. We're making a large amount. You can also make a smaller amount and put it in and put it there. It depends on what you want. So we're pouring it into it. So now we're going to pour it into the water. The water is already boiling. The hibiscus leaf and the ginger. I prefer using fresh ginger. Then the next thing, we're going to pour the pineapple peels into it, allow it to boil very well. So then we have sieved it out. Now the main thing now is to put our sachet flavor and the sugar. So here it is. We're going to put the sachet flavor there. Yes, then after that we'll put our sugar. I usually put very small sugar because this flavor alone, it has a lot of sugar. So put the sugar inside, small, just little, it's okay. Then we stir the zobo. Stir the zobo and your zobo is ready. We're going to allow it to cool down. Once it's cool, we'll pack it into a bottle and put it in the fridge. It's usually best served cold. So please kindly like, comment and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much. Bye.